Good morning, this is Mark DePinto with Stellar Roofing. I'm the Metal Production Supervisor. Today we're located in Orchard Park. As you can see, we're doing a very large house today. This is one of the biggest projects that we have done. We are installing EDCO metal shingles on this project, standing seam, skylights, and siding. Before the homeowner called us, they've had severe leaking on their upper deck section, the lower deck section, and into the eaves. We are doing a full tear off on the house and the garage and the lower section. And to fix this problem, we're going to franchise wrap all the eaves on the front of the house and the back of the house to help protect this from leaking. Currently, the crew is up there ripping off the 3/8 inch plywood and redecking it with 7/16 industry standard for a metal shingle roof. Now, the reason we are tearing off the 3/8 that they have up there currently and increasing it to 7/16 is to carry the industry standard of the wind rating and snow load rating for the EDCO shingle system. So at this location in Orchard Park, we're putting on 9 feet of ice and water on the eaves, which is put onto the decking to help prevent water and elements from penetrating into the roof. On this specific house, we added 9 feet. On a traditional house, we add 6 feet, and we are doing this because it is right in the snow belt. The ice and water is the white felt, and then we have our synthetic underlayment on the top. On this location, we are doing 2 different types of roofing. On the house, we are doing the EDCO, which is a shingle system, and on the lower half, we are doing a standing seam with a snap lock system. Traditionally, installing asphalt shingles, we use a nail and a nailing pattern. With the EDCO shingle system, we use clips and screws. And so we use 6 clips per 4-foot panel. And all these fasteners are hidden with the panel going underneath it and locking in, so there are no exposed fasteners on this EDCO shingle roof. Now with standing seam, we receive our coils in a 2,000-pound roll, and then we put it inside our portable roll forming machine. Once we get to our location, we go to inside the machine, unroll the coil, cut the corners, and feed it into the infeed. Then we go to our computer and we type in our measurements and our recipe for our roof, and then it automatically prints and cuts our panels to our desired length. So this customer had issues with the shingled roof and was having severe ice damming. With a metal roof and franchise wrapping, this will reduce the ice damming. The final step of this project was installing new siding on the back side of the house. From start to finish, the project was completed in about a month, and it completely transformed the look of the house. Our crew installed EDCO ArrowLine stone blend metal shingles on the primary portion of the house and the garage, and textured dark gray standing seam on the lower back roof. We also added linen white Pelican Bay shake siding and brand new custom flashing on the skylights. The result, a roof system built to stand up to the tough weather here in Orchard Park. One more satisfied customer after another stellar job completed. I'm Mark DePinto from Stellar Roofing. Thank you for watching.